Wagwan Dancehall Gang, welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, we will talk about Valiant's response to everything what happened over the last few days. Spice responded to RT again regarding the weather and a few more clips. So remember to subscribe, share, leave a comment, and like the video. Be sure by now everybody's supposed to know about the altercation what go down with DJ Mac, which is Valiant friend, and Popcaan entourage. Some people are say Valiant run, but Valiant are say otherwise. So he made two posts on IG the other day. So take a look. Yes, some people, so you can see when they post and a clap back at anybody was saying did I run. Anyway, this popular TikToker went live and he shared his thoughts about why him think Popcaan did a look for Valiant for beat him, but should them not catch him, then catch DJ Mac. Take a look.
I know you don't know why Popcaan go look for Valiant and it want beat him. Let me tell you, Popcaan and him charge them go with them head grimy to go hold Valiant. And Valiant they did want hold, you know. But none of them know why Popcaan did want hold Valiant. So look at now, you know. Member say Valiant any this way this Popcaan him this from when him this Popcaan, you know. But why Popcaan never page him? And I like the first venue Popcaan do a Valiant go there. That me I try show you. You don't know why Popcaan really decides him have to discipline Valiant now. The same thing we're going with walk and talk in the studio. You see when Papi see a youth when bring forward and the youth not show him no homage and the youth a diss him, he want a Popcaan charge them round him. Grimy about that already. So then they just want to hear the word that Papi head get grimy and say the boy have to get discipline, you know. Right? But you see when Popcaan go see what go on in the media what here with walk and talk and see the way of Valiant and him friend them in the studio, especially Amani. You see when me show you about some artists who love push certain energy but them not bad back at it. Cause watch you know. The way how them deal with walk and talk in the studio, all people who not link to walk and talk vex. Remember me tell you, and most of the people them vex with Valiant. So when Popcaan goes so raw and stay so, and see all that you know, him and him charge the man and say, you know, Valiant have bad up himself so like him a wicked man. You see me? How him a go answer from what year? You know, so if you go page that boy for a long time, mad this me, I need to make some people know say him not bad neither. You see me I say? So all along, when do to walk and talk, him no realize that trigger off a thing in a Popcaan. And trigger off a thing in a Popcaan charge them head. Because guess what? Him at this Popcaan and I go on like say him tough and him wicked. And the fact now that they go see him on video and this another man and a bad up another man. When you two have no whole heap of strength back at him like that. Come like Papi them and say, alright. So you come like your body in a real life youth. Alright, we are going to test your badness then. We are going to show your griminess. Me and the killy them are going to test your badness. Anyway you there we are come page up. Make we see your body is. Because we see all about up some little man in a studio and thing. So we are going to come test your badness. And see your body is. So when the man them roll in to go check Valiant right now and page him. In the club. Them find out and now say the only thing with Valiant now is that he's not there. So the man them go so alright. A DJ Mac did they know. So the man them say, alright, if a DJ Mac will catch, a DJ Mac will get it. Because if you can't catch Kwaku, you go catch them shot. So when we book up on DJ Mac right now, DJ Mac will get it. So when we do what we do to DJ Mac, like how you're bad, so and a test we test your badness, we want to see you come defend DJ Mac. You understand me I say? And my people, this is the real reason why Popcaan and the killy them got paged Valiant. But the thing is, Valiant wasn't there. You understand me? I say Valiant never did it. So we know, like how Valiant do all of them this thing here and this Popcaan and baiting, we know I go see what really I go on if Valiant I go defend him bridging DJ Mac. Because really and truly, personally, me no think Valiant bad like how him go on and him sang them. Popcaan a giant in the thing. And we already know so when Popcaan a walk, all 100 man a walk back a him. You hear me say? All 100 man a walk back a Popcaan. You see me? So Valiant, brother, me no want the violence in the music, and me no want the thing get physical. But you see, sometimes, brother, in a music, a badness in a music. So if you talk badness, you have to can defend it. Can you see if you can't defend it, man, I go lick up your face and your street cred I go drop. If you think I lie, me a check. Check with Silk Bass career they know.
So after that, Footah I went live and talk about young youth, then we are sing song and push the badness behind it. Him say you affi bad for real. So listen up.
Now, uno tend to sing some song, and then I believe wanna sing. And I telling myself, say, uno bad for real. And uno never do no badness in our life yet. Then, me notice, uno have a thing for talk loosely all the time. Like, uno just say anything will come out of the mouth about real bad people. Uno just talk because uno feel like an artist or selector and just say anything without no bucket around it, without no proof of gangster around it. When we talk, we can defend it and we prove ourselves already. So when we make them talk there all the while, and everybody are gonna say, sure, look at young youth, them love them. Some man are gonna test on the gangster, you know. Yeah, man. Some man are gonna test on the gangster, you know. And remember this, sometimes the artist never get touched. Never. The artist stand a million chance. You see, entourage member and manager and selector. Ha ha. Boy. I only left vulnerable, you know. I only left vulnerable, you know. I only left vulnerable. That's why I feel bad. Because my team bad. You talk about alliance bad. Clash everything, rub out everything. But want to win killer gone in bed. Want to win Ellie gone up in big house. We have King Alarm and security. Want to win busy them gone at them townhouse. You have to bad for real. You have to bad for real. That's why me I telling you youth say. Enough time on the ramp with me too, you know, and chat about bag of things, you know. I want to be glad some of the Jamaica, I just walk and come look for and box, you know, you know. Although me can stay right as and this, you know. It's easier for me this, you know, from right as well. But me don't want this, you know. Because in the music, I realize I don't know myself. But see that show that one look go out, you go out, and the artist gone. You get this.
Now, Spice was live and talking about people need to buy her song, and somebody in the comment section said, why don't you block this person? This person was Artis, who they were mentioning, and this is her response.
Why you don't block that person? Them not block them now because them have to go live long to see the success where them couldn't stop. So me not block them. I want them come over here, come see me in a good spirit and my happy moment and my happy vibe, and sister them not what them do. Them never tear me down and them never win. So who not tell me to block me? Now go block them. Them are gonna live to see me. Yeah, them are gonna live to see me. Me no need to block them for them go use fake account and still watch me. No, watch me for your real account. I saw that you join. I'm not blocking you. You are going to see that you made a mistake because you know you made a mistake. But you are going to see that you made a mistake. I never did nothing, never trouble you, showed you nothing but love. But your blood clot greedy. So you never know what I'm to greedy dog. Them yam dirty pudding. Choke. Greedy dog choke. You ever hear one story about the dog and the bird? Anybody who don't know about the dog and the bird, when you come out for the life, you're going to look for the dog and the bird. Yeah. Look for the dog and the bird. Me, could never look for Uno. I got to not fight.
Alright, that's all again. That's it for now. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, share, comment. See you next time.